नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं फ़ोन व्यू मी। चाइनीज़ कंपनी मी ने 22 जून को भारतीय बाजार में अपने नए मिड बजट स्मार्टफ़ोन मी 11 लाइट को पेश किया। शाओमी इंडिया के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मनु जैन और मार्केटिंग लीड सुमित ने एक ऑनलाइन लॉन्चिंग इवेंट के जरिए इस स्मार्टफ़ोन को पेश किया। इस स्मार्टफ़ोन की बिक्री 28 जून से शुरू होगी। शाओमी इंडिया के इस लॉन्चिंग इवेंट में इस स्मार्टफ़ोन की स्पेसिफिकेशंस, कीमत और ऑफर्स के बारे में जो भी जानकारी दी गई उसे जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें। धन्यवाद।
Hi Mi fans, this is Manu here from Xiaomi India, MI India. Today I'm excited to introduce the slimmest and the lightest smartphone of the year, which is Mi 11 Lite. A slim and light device that just blazes through the day, making you look good while looking good itself. Now this is a very special device. 1 year ago when we started designing it, we designed it in such a way that we have two different variants, the 4G one and the 5G one. And they're exactly the same, the only difference being the chipset and the 4G, 5G modem and antenna. In India, we are bringing the 4G variant first. So let's get started. And to talk more about this incredible product, I would hand over the stage to Sumit, who leads our marketing for the Mi brand. So over to you, Sumit.
Thank you, Manu. Hi guys, how is everyone doing? The Mi 11 Lite is the fourth smartphone from our Mi lineup this year. And unlike the last three, which actually focus on peak performance every day, our next phone focuses upon sophisticated design, state-of-the-art engineering, and material usage. The Mi 11 Lite borrows a lot from its family lineage. Great looks from the Mi 11, 10-bit display technology from the Mi 11 Ultra, and much more. But let's start, first of all, with the design. The first design change which you will notice is that the back here is completely flat. Now this gives it a slate-like appearance. It's a fresh change and you will exactly notice this the first time you hold it. With a small camera module which is now neatly tucked in one corner, with minimal branding which is appearing right over here, and with the SIM card tray now appearing at the bottom instead of the sides, it looks cleaner than ever and offers much more color space, which looks absolutely beautiful every time you hold it. Expanding further on the design, what you will notice is a beautiful halo ring around the main camera, which adds to the device's overall already beautiful looks. Even the mid-frame, for that matter, carries the same gorgeous tone from the back panel and seamlessly merges into the display. Even the bezels, for that matter, are very precisely calculated, which is super thin at just 1.8 mm for a perfect symmetry. The Mi 11 Lite would be available in 3 different colors in the India market. Tuscany Coral, which gets its name from a beautiful region in Italy. And it is also our flagship color. The other brand new color which we are introducing today is called Jazz Blue. And lastly, Vinyl Black, which looks extremely classy in a slim and light profile. Measuring at just 6.8 mm, this is the thinnest smartphone by any major smartphone brand out there. Not just the slimmest, the Mi 11 Lite is also the lightest 6-inch smartphone out there. Weighing at just 157 grams, it is the lightest 6-inch display smartphone. To make a smartphone which is the thinnest and the lightest smartphone, we had to completely take a brand new approach. Instead of opting for a glass OLED panel, and which is usually thick at 0.8 mm, our team actually opted for a newer material, which is thinner and is called a flat flexible OLED. Our engineering team also has completely reimagined the circuit board, which you also call as PCBA, for this particular phone, which is now 35% smaller when compared to the previous design. Now this efficiency was achieved by using smaller capacitors. Even the battery, for that matter, adapts a new chip-on-board process and now uses a single-fold design. This brand new design change actually allowed us to fit the large capacity battery in such a tight compact space. Our team also has used a new magnesium alloy material for the mid-frame. Now this new material helped us by shaving 10 grams, which was actually a big deal. Now let's talk about the display. With the Mi 11 Lite, you get a 10-bit AMOLED display. This is the same display technology which we earlier showcased with the Mi 11 Ultra. Now, any graphic which you see on your screen out there is made up of millions of pixels coming together to form one single image. Now, if you go closer to a pixel, you will see that each pixel carries multiple shades of red, multiple shades of green, and multiple shades of blue, which you and I usually call RGB. That forms an image on your screen. Now this information, which is stored per red, green and blue channel, is called color depth or bit depth. An 8-bit display carries 2 to the power of 8 shades, which is 256 shades of red, green and blue. Now this, when multiplied together, roughly gives you a color range of 16.7 million colors. A 10-bit display technology, unlike an 8-bit, can reach 2 to the power of 10 color shades per channel. Now this means that 1024 shades of red, 1024 shades of green and 1024 shades of blue which now when multiplied together can produce 1.07 billion colors. With a billion colors, a 10-bit display is able to decode up to 64 times more color information from your content such as photos, videos and games, making them livelier than ever before. This means that you will also notice a rich variety of color gradations, resulting in a more livelier, more color accurate and an overall stunning looking image. Now this is a bright, Full HD flat AMOLED display with HDR support for great multimedia experience. With a 90Hz display refresh rate, it always feels smooth. 240Hz of touch sampling actually ensures that every touch which you make feels accurate and feels super responsive. There are also ambient light sensors which are present on your phone to tune the display automatically to your surroundings for giving you a pleasant viewing experience. The display also supports low light reading mode and e-paper reading modes, which reduces blue light emission, thus significantly reducing eye strain during bedtime readings. And this beautiful display is further protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Mi 11 Lite features a 64-megapixel Samsung sensor with quad-Bayer technology to deliver some great shots, day or night. You will also notice that there is an ultra-wide-angle cam and a very capable tele-macro camera with autofocus over here. With the Mi 11 Lite, we are promising that anyone with a vision can actually become a director. But the Mi 11 Lite is also loaded with an extensive video and photo editing suite and 23 director modes, which can totally remove the requirement of an external PC or a Mac, softwares for editing and equipment for making these cool looking videos. Take a look. It can shoot 4K videos with electronic image stabilization or EIS at 30 frames per second with great natural looking colors and beautiful dynamic range. You can also immediately start with the built-in cinematic filters without the requirement of any additional equipment or lenses. From subtle camera motion effects like magic zoom to the Inception-like crazy parallel world effect, which makes you just keep looking at it. We are also introducing a brand new vlog mode. You can now save in-progress drafts, which allows you to take multiple shots from different times and different places during the day and compile them into one cool-looking video. The main camera independently delivers some great-looking shots. There is a 16-megapixel cam on the front. The selfies look absolutely sharp, vibrant, and carry an amazing color depth. Let's talk about performance. Mi 11 Lite in India will be available with Snapdragon 732G. Performance here is pretty great and the thermal performance is well managed too. You get a great battery life, smooth scrolling across web pages, apps and system UI, and a great overall gaming experience. Speaking about battery, with the Mi 11 Lite, with a brand new chip-on-board process and a single-fold battery design, which is again absolutely brand new for the segment, we have managed to fit in a large 4250 mAh battery with an endurance rating of above 100 hours so that you never have to worry about battery life. The Mi 11 Lite runs on MIUI 12 out of the box, which is a feature-loaded, no-nonsense OS based on Android 11. It's completely ad-free and has some great features like Second Space, which allow you to run 2 instances of a single app independently if you are using dual SIM cards. In India, there will be 2 configurations available: 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Both the options carry the fastest RAM and storage options. You also get the option to top up the storage by up to 512GB by adding an additional micro SD card. The Mi 11 Lite also sports stereo speakers with high-res audio certification, both on wired and wireless connections. There is also a Type-C to a 3.5mm jack, which is there in the box itself for you to connect your wired headphones. The phones also come with a pre-applied screen protector and a soft TPU case in the box itself. You will also notice that the box carries a 33-watt charger, which supports rapid charging and delivers full-day battery in just under 30 minutes. Lastly, the phone also carries an official IP rating, which basically protects your device against accidental splashes and offers 100% dust ingress protection. So that's the Mi 11 Lite. You get an elegant glass design, beautiful looking 10-bit 90Hz AMOLED display, stereo speakers with high-res audio certification, full-day battery life with rapid charging, official IP rating in the slimmest and the lightest smartphone of 2021. Let me call Manu back on your screen for this moment where he will be announcing the prices for these devices and he will also tell you when and where you can buy these. Over to you, Manu.
The 6GB 128GB variant is being launched at only rupees 21,999. 8GB 128GB variant is being launched at only 23,999. And the first sale will be on 28th of June on me.com, our partner platform Flipkart, and all our retail stores. With this, signing off. Please take care, stay safe. Namaste.